Welcome back to the Journal Audit tutorial series. After the batch actions of the previous module, this one descends to the audit's smallest unit, one record, one article. We open the editor drawer, read every metadata field together with its provenance, attach a PDF, then manage that article's own reference list. One principle governs the whole space. Human corrections rank highest and are never overwritten by automated data. We start on the Journal Audit page, where the finished Educia audit is stored in the list. Click the Educia entry under Saved Audits. The full report loads again from the stored computation. A stored audit keeps the old findings intact, so today's record fixes remain comparable. Open the Records workspace from the sidebar. This table lists every article the audit rests on. Each row shows 4 statuses at once: metadata, PDF, references, and the scope analysis. The article title is itself a button. Click it and the record editor drawer slides in from the right. The drawer header names the record ID, the title, the completeness figure, and how many fields still need filling. The first part is the full metadata grid. Every field here can be corrected by hand. Title, DOI, and year are the article's identity. A correct DOI unlocks cross-checking against Crossref. Authors and affiliations are semicolon separated and order aligned, one author to one affiliation. Both feed the diversity and editorial and breeding analyses, so the spelling of names genuinely matters. Keywords and the abstract power the scope analysis. An empty abstract makes an article's fit hard to judge. Volume and issue tie the article to the publishing structure, the raw material for archive reconciliation. Below the grid, each field's provenance is logged. Fields you change are marked manual, and machines never overwrite them. The article PDF section attaches the original document to the record, one file per article. 2 small lines beside it report what the PDF yielded: metadata fields filled and reference candidates separated. Reference candidates from a PDF are not yet verified. They await checking rather than instant trust. Now, the reference space. This article's bibliography together with the status of each entry. The statistics row sums up total references, the structured ones, those needing review, and manual corrections. That structured figure decides whether the self-citation and reference dominance analyses are worth reading at all. The search box filters the list by title, author, DOI, journal, or publisher. The first button reclassifies and rechecks the metadata of every reference in this article after asking for confirmation. Add 1 creates a fresh manual entry, useful for references the machine could not read from the PDF. The fastest route is paste many. Copy the article's whole bibliography, then paste it in one go. This panel splits the paste into 1 entry per reference. Numbering and wrapped lines are tidied automatically. Merge the list, new references are added, and matching ones improve the old data without creating duplicates. The cross in the drawer header closes without saving, and unsaved changes are discarded. We choose Save and Recompute. The corrections persist as an editor decision, and affected analyses are recalculated. The drawer closes, and the record row now carries a manually corrected mark, proof a human has inspected this article. You now know where every audit figure can be corrected, on the record itself. The metadata, PDFs, and references you fix here flow into every later analysis, and the trail is stored as an editor decision. In the next module, we read the aggregate result, the completeness and assurance scores for the whole journal. See you there.